In recent times, there has been a significant change in camp cooking. Portable stoves have been replaced by kitchen sets, which are revolutionary tools that have made preparing meals in outdoor settings much easier. In today's video, we will showcase the top advanced camping cooking gear. Let's begin! Welcome to Gadget Galaxy, our gadget-filled corner of the internet. Get ready to dive into a world of cutting-edge technology, mind-blowing inventions, and must-have accessories. Benchmade 15500-3 Meatcrafter. If you're an enthusiastic hunter or overlander, you know that a well-equipped campsite can make all the difference. And with the Benchmade Meatcrafter, you can take your outdoor cooking game to the next level. This latest version features an OD G10 handle and an eye-catching orange accent ring, combining style with functionality. The blade is crafted from premium CPM S45VN steel, making it incredibly durable and razor-sharp. It showcases Benchmade's signature Select Edge performance, delivering precision cutting power. Whether you're trimming, deboning, or slicing your favorite cuts of wild game, this knife is perfect for the task, and when you're finished, you can safely store it in the included orange Bolter-on sheath. Gosun Flow. Next, we have the Gosun Flow, a remarkable device that will captivate you with its efficient and eco-friendly water purifying system. The Gosun Flow utilizes a USB-powered pump, capable of pumping water at an impressive 15 psi. You can run the pump using the solar case or the included power bank, making it highly convenient for on-the-go usage. The pump is highly efficient and can purify 1 liter of water per minute, ensuring you don't have to wait long to quench your thirst. Additionally, it offers multiple options for accessing clean water. You can fill up the included water bag and drink on the go, or attach a bottle to the filter and drink directly from it. The device is powered by an efficient and long-lasting 18 watt-hour power bank, capable of pumping over 100 gallons of water on a single charge. This ensures you never have to worry about running out of clean water when you need it the most. Onja Stove. Introducing the Onja Stove, a unique and compact 2-burner stove that brings back memories of childhood campground meals. The stove's base expands to create a stable cooking surface with 2 burners that can be adjusted individually. It can boil a liter of water in under 4 minutes. Each burner connects directly to a gas canister, which is protected by the stove's base. To use both burners simultaneously, 2 gas canisters are required. Apart from its functional design, the Onja Stove also includes an oak lid that serves as a cutting board or serving platter when in food prep mode. This versatility makes it a convenient cooking tool for any outdoor adventure. ROTO-Q 360 non-electric self-rotating rotisserie. Imagine enjoying delectable food while camping without the need for gas or electricity. It may sound too good to be true, but not anymore. We're talking about the ROTO-Q 360 rotating rotisserie, your ultimate camping companion. Weighing only 5.5 pounds, this portable rotisserie can easily fit into any backpack, making it ideal for camping in the woods or by the lake. With its self-rotating feature, you won't have to constantly turn your meat to ensure even cooking. The best part is that it doesn't require electricity, gas, or batteries to operate, making it eco-friendly and easy to use. Its compact design allows for effortless transportation and attachment to gas or charcoal grills fire pits, and more. Now you can enjoy rotisserie-style chicken, beef, ribs, and more right at your campsite. Minipresso NS2. For coffee enthusiasts, the Minipresso NS2 is the ideal portable solution to satisfy your espresso cravings during outdoor adventures. By using NS capsules, this device produces exceptional espresso quality. Using capsules provides several advantages when brewing coffee in the wilderness. The coffee is already ground, measured, and perfectly tamped, ensuring a consistent taste with every brew. Simply insert the capsule, add hot water, and pump the piston to extract the espresso. You'll be able to enjoy a rich, full-bodied espresso that will provide the energy you need to tackle the day's adventures. In conclusion, the Minipresso NS2 is an excellent choice for coffee lovers who want to enjoy a delicious espresso while camping. Omnia Stovetop Oven. If you're getting ready for a camping adventure and want to enhance your outdoor cooking experience, the Omnia Stovetop Oven is a fantastic addition to your gear. This portable oven is user-friendly and requires no complicated setup. To use the Omnia, simply place the stainless steel base over a heat source like a camping stove and position the circular aluminum food container on top. The heat from the stove will distribute across the container's bottom and rise, thanks to the specially designed lid with a ventilation hole. This directs the heat over the top of the canister. With the Omnia, you can prepare almost any dish you would in a regular oven. Bake cakes, muffins, casseroles, bread, or even pizza for a savory meal. The possibilities are endless. Moreover, it is compatible with various heat sources, so whether you have a gas stove or a portable camping stove, you can still enjoy the convenience of having an oven during your trip. Igloo KoolTunes Playmate Classic. Now, let's talk about another gear called the Igloo KoolTunes Playmate Classic. This cooler not only keeps your beverages and food cold, but also comes with Bluetooth speakers, allowing you to enjoy your favorite tunes while immersing yourself in the great outdoors. With its weather-resistant exterior and IP56 water-resistant design, this cooler is perfect for any outdoor adventure. You can rest easy knowing that the wireless speakers are protected from splashing liquids at the beach or near the campfire. The cooler features an easy-to-use control panel and a covered charging port, making it simple to keep your music playing all night long. With up to 10 hours of playtime on a single charge, you won't have to worry about running out of battery before the party comes to an end. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching Gadget Galaxy, and we'll see you next time with more exciting gadgets.